Good morning everyone. Today we discuss respiratory system of cockroach. Respiratory system of cockroach. Trachea are the respiratory organs of cockroach. For our convenience, we can study the respiratory system under four subheads. Spiracles, also known as respiratory openings. Respiratory openings. Trachea, tracheoles, mechanism of respiration. So, cockroach has 10 pairs of spiracles. Ten pairs of spiracles. In thoracic segment, two pairs of spiracles. First segment, second, third. Three thoracic segments. Abdominal, you already know 10 segments. One pair present in mesothorax, another pair metathorax. Spiracles, respiratory openings. First 8 abdominal segments contain one pair in each segment. So the segments of cockroach without spiracles is prothorax. First thoracic segment, 9th and 10th segments without spiracles. So spiracle is a respiratory opening. Spiracle is a respiratory opening. 10 pairs of spiracles present in cockroach. 2 pairs present in thorax. Mesothoracic segment 1 pair. Metathoracic segment 1 pair. The remaining 8 pairs of spiracles present in first 8 abdominal segments. Spiracles are valvular. Hair present in the spiracles known as trichome. Trichome prevent the entry of dust particles. Each spiracles protected by a sclerite known as perithrium. Perithrium is a sclerite. It protects each spiracle. Thoracic spiracles functional during inspiration. Abdominal spiracles functional during expiration. If more than 2 pairs of spiracles are present, this condition is known as polypneustic. Polypneustic condition. If all the spiracles are working, known as holopneustic condition. More than 2 spiracles are present, known as polypneustic condition. If all the spiracles are functional, known as holopneustic. So this is about spiracles. Once again, 10 pairs of spiracles. Subheads. Spiracles. trachea, tracheoles, mechanism of respiration, tracheoles and mechanism of respiration. So 10 pairs of spiracles are present. Spiracles are known as respiratory opening. 2 pairs of spiracle present in thorax. You already know thorax contain 3 segments, 10 abdominal segments. First 8 abdominal segment, each segment contain a pair of spiracles. Total 10 pairs. The sclerite present around the spiracle is known as peritrium. Hair present in the spiracle, hair-like structure, not hair, hair-like structure, presence of hair, unique character of mammal only, known as a trichome. Function of trichome, prevent the entry of dust particles. In insect, more than 2 spiracles are present, condition is known as polynucleus. If all spiracles are functional, known as holonucleus. Only thoracic spiracles, means 2 pairs are functional during inspiration. Intake of air is known as inspiration. The remaining 8 pairs, abdominal spiracles, are functional during expiration, elimination of air, expiration. Trachea. Trachea are the horizontal ducts arise from each spiracle. Cavity of spiracle is known as atrium. From each thoracic spiracle, several horizontal ducts arise, known as trachea. From the abdominal spiracle, 3 trachea arise. Number of trachea arise from the abdominal spiracle, 3. 1 dorsal trachea, lateral trachea and ventral trachea. So number of trachea in the abdomen. From each abdominal spiracle, 3 trachea. So 16 spiracles are present. 16 into 3, 48 trachea present in the abdomen. In thoracic region, from each spiracle, several trachea arise. Many trachea. With the help of diagram, we discuss. So spiracles, next one is trachea. You already know from each abdominal spiracle 3 trachea arise. One is dorsal trachea, one lateral, one dorsal, lateral and ventral. In this manner, on one side 8 dorsal trachea, all 8 dorsal trachea unite, dorsal longitudinal tracheal trunk is formed. All 8 lateral trachea unite, one lateral longitudinal tracheal trunk. Similarly, all ventral connected. In this manner, on each side 3 longitudinal tracheal trunks, dorsal tracheal trunk, ventral tracheal trunk and lateral longitudinal tracheal trunk. In thoracic region, from each spiracle many trachea unite, many trachea arise. These trachea connected. As a result, 3 types of longitudinal tracheal trunks are formed: dorsal cephalic, ventral cephalic and lateral longitudinal tracheal trunks. The lateral longitudinal tracheal trunks of abdomen connected to lateral longitudinal trunks of thoracic region. That's why lateral longitudinal trunks are the longest tracheal trunks. Once again, from abdominal spiracle 3 trachea arise. One is dorsal trachea, lateral trachea, ventral trachea. Each trachea contain 3 layers. Outer cuticle, just below the cuticle epithelial cells, inner to epithelial cells intima. From the intima circular thickenings arise known as tenidia. Tenidia prevent the collapse of trachea in the absence of air. So on one side 8 dorsal trachea, all 8 dorsal trachea unite. As a result, one dorsal longitudinal tracheal trunk. All ventral trachea unite, ventral longitudinal tracheal trunk. All 8 lateral unite. As a result, lateral longitudinal tracheal trunk. In this manner, here also, another side also, 3 longitudinal tracheal trunks. 3 longitudinal tracheal trunks. So one is dorsal, ventral, lateral longitudinal tracheal trunk. Similar longitudinal tracheal trunks are connected by horizontal trachea known as commissural trachea. It is one lateral longitudinal trunk, it is another lateral longitudinal tracheal trunk. Both are connected by trachea or branches known as commissural trachea. Trachea, from the spiracle horizontal ducts arise known as trachea. In the abdominal region, from each spiracle 3 trachea arise, one dorsal, lateral, ventral. On one side, how many? 8 spiracles are present, so 8 dorsal trachea. 8 dorsal trachea connected. As a result, dorsal longitudinal tracheal trunk. 8 ventral trachea connected. As a result, ventral longitudinal tracheal trunk is formed. Similarly, 8 lateral trachea unite, lateral longitudinal tracheal trunk is formed. In this manner, in the abdomen, 3 pairs of longitudinal tracheal trunks are formed. A pair of lateral longitudinal tracheal trunks, a pair of ventral longitudinal tracheal trunks, a pair of dorso longitudinal tracheal trunks. Similar longitudinal tracheal trunks are connected by horizontal ducts known as commissural trachea. In thoracic region, you already know only 2 pairs of spiracle. From each spiracle, several trachea arise. All are connected. 3 types of longitudinal tracheal trunks are formed. One is dorsal cephalic, one pair, another pair is ventral cephalic, and third pair is lateral longitudinal tracheal trunks. Lateral longitudinal tracheal trunks of thoracic region communicated to or open into lateral longitudinal tracheal trunks of abdomen. That's why lateral longitudinal tracheal trunks are the longest tracheal trunks in cockroach. Each longitudinal tracheal trunk divides and redivides. The branches of longitudinal tracheal trunks present in the tissues known as tracheal cell. tracheal cell. Tracheal cell means branch. So longitudinal tracheal trunk divides and redivides into several branches. The branches present in each and every tissue known as tracheal cell. The tracheal cell has several branches. For example, it is the tracheal cell. Tracheal cell has several branches. These branches are known as tracheoles. It is the tracheal cell. Tracheal cell. Longitudinal tracheal trunk divides into branches. Again, these branches divides into several fine branches. The branches of longitudinal tracheal trunks present in the tissues. For example, in cockroach we assume 100 tissues are present. Longitudinal tracheal trunk divides into 100 branches. They are known as a tracheal cell. In that tissue, in one tissue, 10,000 cells are present. That from the tracheal cell 10,000 branches arise. They are known as a tracheal cell. So number of cells in cockroach equal to number of tracheoles. What are tracheoles? The part of the respiratory system present in each and every cell is known as tracheole. It is the tracheole. Tracheole is branched. Terminal part contain branches. These branches contain fluid known as tracheal fluid. Known as tracheal fluid. This is about spiracles, trachea, longitudinal tracheal trunks and tracheole. Tracheole means the part of the respiratory system present in each and every cell. Exchange of gases take place between the cell and fluid present in the tracheole.